Brian spotted.
The lights are flickering, the lights are flickering, the lights are flickering.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Guys, the door's locked.
Oh my god, I hear
Bye guys. Zach? Zach, are you good? Zach, please.
Watch this. I need confidence again.
Oh god.
Hold on, give me some time. Give me some time, give me some time.
Oh my god!
I'm emoting! I'm emoting! Holy shit! Holy shit, holy shit! Holy shit!
I saw one's close to me by stairs.
Spike planted.
Honestly, don't trust any of the decoys. What the?
You don't even know how to play the character to shoot.
Give it to me, give it to me, Alex, give it to me. Yes, no, I'm dogging, I'm dogging. Break it, break it. Oh, shit.
Oh,
There's smoke.
You guys.
Wait.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Yo.
Bro, there was two.
GG.
What the fuck?
I think that guy's cool.
Honestly, if you're going to jail, yeah, if you're going to jail, might as well just pull
Bro.
out a gun and start asking for their number.
What?
Why did everyone bark?
I don't know.
Oh, damn! Damn!
You guys stop! Stop! That is cringe! That is cringe! That is cringe!
Harbor's low. Wait, yeah, that must be Harbor.
What?
Oh. Oh, pushing Alex. Oh, Alex.
Wait, just play with him, play with him.
Player standing.
Like you're always gonna knock on that door now,
Remaining.
like before entering now.
Teleport's ready.
What?
Wow, Arvid! Get this guy's number! Little guy sees someone and throws a projectile at them to blind them. So he pretty much actually comes on them. And if they're too far away, then you can actually dodge the blast.
misses his cum shot? Oh, okay.
You left me at home.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
I have this spike.
No one speak to me. Someone deafen me! Someone deafen me!
No one definitely. No one.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah! Oh my god!
Get
Oh my
out.
god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this?
Alex.
Oh, she's having. The fuck?
It's like. Did Alex give up? Wow.
Yep.
Last player standing.
Yep.
Shadows traveling.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit.
Wow.
Last player standing.
No.
Nah.
Oh damn.
I missed.
Oh?
What the
That-
fuck?
Wow.
Oh,
Wow. I quit that.
I'm holding the line. Hurrah!
What the?
my god.
Wait, one's right here.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Get out
A little bit
Oh,
delayed.
wait, 2 seconds. 1, 2. Oh, they're not here.
Oh!
Never mind.
Nice. Nice. Get in there. Yes. Who the fuck is flying? Oh, it's you. Oh, me.
Arvin, that's
Arvin,
your kill
fuck
right
them
there.
up. Fuck them up.
Arvin, that's your kill. Oh, one more.
Armin, get him!
Arvin, you did not have to ult there. Arvin. No.
It's still.
I just died. Dude, you guys are inside of each other. What is this? Yo, Alex is in you. What the fuck? Okay.
I'm dead. Okay, well, it's okay. It was an Orisa map anyways.
But we have Zenyatta.
Oh!
Wait.
Oh, that's good. That's
Stop,
really good, dude.
Oh shit.
No, yeah, I think I did.
Bro! Oh, fuck!
Enemy down.
Thank you. Oh, you have medical assistance? No! You gave the fucker that can heal! You fat fuck! Why did you? Oh.
Spike down A.
Oh my god!
One enemy
Never
remaining.
mind. Last one was garage.
Revealing area.
Whoa.
Skywalk, Taiwan. I'm sorry.
Oh, that song is so.
Gambarimasu.
Arvin?
Dude, if Brian was in prison and I was his like cellmate, I would actually want to kill myself.
Wait, so you wouldn't room with me?
Smoke beam.
You're so welcome. You are so welcome. Holy shit.
That's a girl.
One enemy remaining.
Oh! Oh!
I'm sad. Alex, can I off and then you knife?
You meow.
No.
I need more effort. I don't know.
No.
Oh! You
Okay.
fuck him up.
Yeah, fuck him up.
You heard him. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Oh,
On my screen?
Oh
On my screen?
my
On
shit.
my screen?
Oh my god.
On my screen?
Oh my god.
Guys, get me the fuck out of this game. I'm never playing this game anymore.
Brian, you're trolling. Oh my god.
Okay, we do it again.
Nice
We do it
voice,
again.
nice voice crack.
His voice.
Nice voice crack, bro.
Only one
Give me this, give me this!
Both.
Jet was stairs.
Pushing CT, pushing CT.
Wait, okay. I was trying to see this. I was trying to see this I've ever done.